Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox some Speedbox Earth's Wonders for the month of May 2024. I haven't taken a sneak peek, guys, I promise. There we go. So it used to come in a bag, I believe, but now it's a box. You can store the finished products in the box as well, so that's much helpful. And I got my caramels. So, Earth's Wonders, Rachel, being in nature helps me disconnect from technology and calm my mind. I love hiking through dense forests, swimming in the flowing rivers, and stargazing by a campfire. I walk lighter and smile wider when I'm surrounded by nature. Shaira, I always go outside when I need to make an important life decision, whether I'm sitting under a giant sequoia floating in the crystal waters of the Caribbean or gazing at the peaks of age-old mountains. I feel clear and connected. Sam, I have a special appreciation for California's old growth forests. Some of the largest redwoods here are thousands of years old, having lived through millenniums of fires and history. I always feel especially relaxed in the cool shade of their canopy as I gaze in awe. Earth's Wonders, our love for nature, was the guiding inspiration behind this month's box. To celebrate the beauty of our Earth, we selected rich ocean blues to contrast a forest of greens. Highlights of the box include graduated Canadian jade and intricate colossan. Colossan, how do you call that? I don't know. Okay, the eyes of the owl coins seem to gaze at us with their worldly wisdom as the table cut tree pendant provides protection. In nature, we discover not only peace but also a sense of wonder and responsibility to love and protect our planet. We hope you will share your creations in the our Gem Chat Facebook group. Hashtag SamSpeedbox May 2024. Okay. Let's see what we got. It's gonna be greens and blues, that much is for sure. Yep, it's nice and looks very pretty. Always pretty, right? So there we go. So we shall see all the ones which is labeled first, and then we will come across what are the strands and what not, right? So let's do that. First of all, this is what it is. So this is mosaic oval cobalt copper 12 into 25 millimeter 2-piece set. Very, very pretty. Then we have, okay, check glass oval coin green copper 13.5 millimeter 4-piece set. This is the owl beads. Cute. Then we have our table cut coin tree of life green silk Picasso 22 millimeter 1-piece. There you go. Very cute. Then we have check glass English cut cobalt / copper 10 millimeter 8-piece set. Let me show it to you guys close up. Somehow this cobalt blue or this blue actually brings out that, you know, that rich look, I would say. Then we have the sodalite coin pendant 30 millimeter 8 millimeter thick 1-piece. tone varies, natural inclusions. Let's see. Nice one. Then we have this beautiful opalite Pierre Brio 13 into 18 millimeter 3-piece set. 13 into 18 millimeter? Wow. It doesn't look like 13 into 18 millimeter for me. I don't think so. Oh, sorry. It's not even in this box stuff. That's what I was wondering. How come this is 13 into 18? Sorry about that, guys. This is the one. Check glass struck round crystal copper 8 millimeter. We have 25 piece, that is a 16 gram. Okay, that's that. Then we have the Colosseum beads. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. I don't know, guys. It's floral, it's heart shaped and donut shaped. Heart shaped we have 2, donut shaped we have 1. I have seen the heart shaped, but I have never seen the donut shaped. That is new for me. Oh, we have 2 of the donuts and 2 of the hearts. I have seen smaller hearts. This is nice and big. And these donuts are really, really cute as well. So that's that for us. Donuts and hearts. Okay. Then we have the Terracast findings. This is Earth Charm 12 by 17 millimeter, Redwood Pendant 17 by 29 millimeter. So that's Earth Charm. That's so damn cute. Very, very cute. And this pendant, not all those who wander are lost. That's a nice saying. And this tree is also very, very pretty. The inlay is really cool. I really love it. Terracast has the best components in the whole wide world, I think. Don't count me on that, but I really feel that they have nice components. Right, and then we have the seed bead mix, the house mix. Let me put it in a triangle tray so that, you know, wow, that's kind of pretty tight, guys. No, I need my pliers to help me out here. There we go. Okay, that's pretty, right? That's a pretty mix. I love it. So that. Now we shall see all the strands. Okay. Malachite smooth round dyed 6.5 millimeter. That's the first one. Malachite 6.5 millimeter, 7.5 inch strand. I think this is the one I get. I guess. So that's that. Then we have 4-sided pinch barrel planet Earth mix. Nine by 12 by 12. I think this is the one. I'm not so sure, but it's a 5-piece set. Definitely, this is not the one. This is not even 5-piece set. Okay. This is also 6-piece, 4-sided pinch bale. Let's come back to that later. Now, flower dark blue silk Picasso. This is this one 6-piece strand. This is really, really nice. These are table cut and they're very, very cute. I love this. And then we have green aventurine faceted top brio, which is this it's a 10-piece set, and this is also very yummy. Then we have Roundel Planet Earth Mix 15-piece strand. Check glass FP. I don't know what that is, but it is a 15-piece strand. It's a Roundel. So I guess this is the one, which is 5, 10, 5. Right. 10, 16. I think this is the one. Then we have a Petal Brio, which is this Raining Garden Mix 6x8mm 20-piece strand. That's really pretty. So I am out of focal all the time. I don't know. Sorry about that, guys. So then we have Canadian Jade Smooth Round Graduated 6 to 12mm 27-piece strand, which is right here. Okay, it's a graduated strand, so I'm just gonna zoom out a bit so that you guys can see what I have. Okay, maybe this is the roundel that I was talking about. It is a 15-piece strand and not this one, so this is the roundel. So now, okay, Canadian Smooth Round Graduated, this is done. Check glass Smooth Roundel Green Fern Mix 4x7mm 16-piece strand, which is exactly this for us. And then Pearl Brio Copper / Crystal 10 × 13mm 12-piece strand. Pear Brio, a 12-piece strand. This is the one. Very, very pretty color. Nice and bright. So that's that. And then Heart Leaf Green Copper 10.5 by 16.5mm and 8-piece strand. Okay, then what else we have? We have the Round Cobalt Crystal Mix 8mm 15-piece strand. Cobalt / crystal mix. Okay, then we have Barrel Spring Peridot Teal Mix 7.5 × 12 8-piece strand. Maybe this is the one. Yep. Then we have Lapis Freeform Nugget Dyed 7.9 to 10 by 11mm 7-inch strand, which is really nice. I love lapis, and the shape I don't have it, so I'll keep it right here maybe. Right, so I'll keep this here. Okay, then what we have is Pinch Barrel Planet Mix 5-piece set is this one, guys. I was thinking something small. This is the Pinch Barrel set, 4-sided Pinch Barrel Planet Earth Mix 9 by 12mm and 12 by 14mm. These are 9 by 12 and these are 12 by 14, and these are the ones which we missed in the first place. So this is our palette. I really like it. There is no question about it. I love it, and I cannot wait to work with it. But somehow I feel that this should be challenging for me, because the green and the blue is nice, but I don't work with green that much. I don't know. It's just we have all our small things that is very unique to every person, right? So I don't work with green that much, so this is going to be a little bit of a challenge for me, but I am looking forward for that challenge. If you guys like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. I do upload videos couple of times a week. Thank you so much for watching. And there is a heart sign with thanks right next to it in the bottom of the video. You can click on it and support my channel. You can donate as much as you want, starting from the $2. And also do check out my Etsy shop. I will leave down the description box below the link for it. You can shop around there and help me as well. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.